What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add conditions on WooCommerce and WordPress on Elementor settings. So let's get right to it. First of all, make sure you have the Elementor plugin installed. If you don't, here I'm on my WordPress dashboard. Just go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and in the search here, search for Elementor, hit enter. And this is the one you need to install, the Elementor website builder. Click install it and then activate it. Now another plugin you need to install is the plus settings for Elementor. Just search for the plus here, hit enter, and here it is, the plus add-ons for Elementor. Install, and once you install it, activate it, and then you should be good to go. Now go back to your dashboard here, and if you scroll down, you should see here the plus settings. Go to it, and then go to plus widgets. And here in the search bar, search for rules. Make sure to check the display condition here. And once it's checked, you can go ahead and go to the website editor. Let's say on Elementor, add the elements. And you would see here the conditions to show or hide this element on certain conditions. So you can control so, however, as you can see here, this feature is only for the pro users of the plus settings. So you need to go ahead and purchase the plus settings plus in order to have the option to display the conditions in the editor, the website editor, or for the elements on your WordPress website. So that's basically how you can set conditions on WooCommerce and WordPress websites.